Have we forgotten Charlie?
You stop rubbing now. I don't want it too close.
We need to blow up Charlie.
Yeah. Aren't you asthmatic? I mean, that's not funny. That's unfortunate. Stop poking me in the ear with Charlie.
People are looking, Sam.
Oh, that's like perfect. I've literally done it perfectly. Right.
Not that. Hang on, don't move it, don't move it. I just need to push it against something.
Right,
no, stop moving it.
I'm holding the
How's he going to sit on the seat?
I don't know. We might have to break his kneecaps. Do you reckon, like there?
Yeah, about that.
Are there people coming? I can hear people. This just needs to get out of the car. Where's my car keys?
Can we drive away from my road first? I don't want people in my road going, oh, I saw George the other day with his mate. Oh yeah. Yeah, he had a blow-up doll. Can we just try and hide this as much as possible? Can we just drive away? Now this looks just suspicious because Charlie's between my legs. Like, look. So...
oh, fuck me. I'm crying.
There's a good boy. Look at the size of his head. Look at... He looks like Megamind. Charlie can drive. Perfect.
Charlie, you're in my spot. Get the fuck out.
Yeah, whenever you want to go away from my road, that'd be great.
Oh, that's reverse.
Fuck's sake.
Where do you want to go?
Anywhere away from my road.
There you go, I want it in reverse that time. There's a hole, but it's okay.
We'll make use of it.
Fuck it later.
Why don't you tuck it underneath the headrest? Like tuck the arm.
Go on then.
I don't want it behind me.
But like, trap it.
So creepy. I can feel its hand.
Right, so I want the start of the video to be either us forgetting Charlie,
But we can't now because we've just glued Charlie in place. It hasn't even got a hole. It's pointless. Budget sex doll. I wanted a premium one. I've not waited for weeks.
On Amazon, it was like ages 14 and upwards. I was like, why would a 14-year-old have this?
Oh, I was thinking the doll's 14 years old.
No. Charlie looks like a flamingo. Let's get out then.
Oh shit, yeah. I forgot I have to move. Oh, I'm on the muddy side.
Belts!
Gonna play a little game of chicken. Gonna go backwards, downhill. Sam's got the brake pedal. I've got the handbrake. Whoever backs out first loses.
I don't want to do this.
That's quite some speed.
It's quite fast.
Doing this.
Do you want to go McDonald's drive-through?
I don't think Charlie really eats McDonald's. So.
Stop voting for Charlie.
I don't speak on behalf of Charlie.
So are you telling me I'm gonna have to go and get McDonald's on my own with a Blowup Sex Doll? I mean, Charlie in the back.
I go left-hand lane. I reckon left-hand lane's quicker.
But the right, no, because
this car has heated seats.
It did. And then someone nicked them out of it. So it's now just got the toggle for the heated seat, but actually has no heated seat.
For heated chicken one, I want one of those please. And 20 chicken nuggets. Nothing fancy, just wrap and nuggets. What?
Have they got any...
Cheers, love. But now they've released the fajita one, I'm like, fajita all day.
Hi, can I take a order, please?
We have 2 fajita chicken wraps, please.
Meal.
Do you want a meal?
No, I'm good.
No, 1 is a meal.
One is the bite sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drink for the Big Mac?
Pardon?
What drink you want with the Big Mac meal?
I don't want a Big Mac. I want the chicken fajitas.
Sorry?
It's the chicken fajita meal.
Oh, you want a wrap?
Yes, please. 2 of them.
1 meal and 1 by itself, yeah?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
What drink you want?
Coke, please.
Anything else?
Can we get 20 chicken nuggets as well, please?
How many chicken nuggets?
Yes, please.
6.
20.
20. Any sausage?
Curry.
Yeah?
Charlie, do you want anything?
I don't think Charlie.
No, that's fine. That's everything. Thanks.
Thank you. Next thing, that's it.
Oh, that's
Okay,
painful.
how hard can it be to order a wrap? Yeah, we'll have 2 chicken wraps, please. You want Big Mac meal?
The only thing she got right first time was Coke. You
She
watch, you get
knew.
Fanta.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's a young girl. God's sake, don't look in the car. Don't look in the car. Oh.
I kind of forgot he was in here. You know, you just get used to there being a sex doll behind you. Like, have you never had that?
All the time.
It's not. Yeah, then.
Thank you. It's got curry sauce in it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's got curry sauce. Real good.
Cheers. That's a bit ugly.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Charlie, get out of the way. I can't see. Hang on. I think the hair's.
Ah, that's sharp.
Here you go, look. He's got no arms, and then just, hang on, let me just pump him up. Yeah.
I would stop it, but...
You know, by the time we've pumped this up, that's it, look. Charlie's really flexible. Like,
Look at him, you filth.
so, do you want to keep Charlie at your house?
No.
We could say he's a bundle of fun.